Tax season 2025 is not just another annual chore, it's a financial checkpoint that can either work for you or quietly work against you. The choices you make before filing season begins will determine how much stress you feel, how much time you lose, and how much money stays in your pocket. This presentation is designed to help you take control early, so tax season becomes a strategy, not a surprise. Most tax problems don't happen in April. They happen in January by doing nothing. Waiting until the last minute creates rushed decisions, overlooked details, and unnecessary errors. Starting early gives you leverage. You gain time to plan, to ask questions, and to fix issues before they become expensive mistakes. Preparation is the difference between reacting and leading. Understanding how your income is categorized is critical. Wages, self-employment income, investments, rentals, and side hustles are all treated differently by the tax code. When income isn't clearly identified and tracked, taxpayers often underreport or misclassify it, triggering penalties or audits. Clarity here protects you and sets the foundation for everything else. Documentation is where most taxpayers fall apart. Missing forms, lost receipts, and incomplete records don't just slow you down, they cost real money. Creating a simple system to gather income statements, expense records, and prior returns turns tax filing from chaos into a checklist. When your paperwork is clean, your decisions get smarter. Deductions and adjustments are not loopholes. They're incentives written into the tax code. Retirement contributions, business expenses, education costs, and healthcare expenses can all reduce taxable income if handled correctly. The key is knowing what applies to you and having proof ready. Guessing here is expensive. Planning is profitable. Filing method matters more than most people realize. Electronic filing reduces errors, speeds refunds, and adds layers of validation that paper filing can't match. For complex situations, business owners, investors, or multiple income streams, professional guidance can often uncover savings that software alone will never see. Withholding and estimated payments are your ongoing tax steering wheel. Too little withholding leads to penalties and stress. Too much means you gave the government an interest-free loan. Adjusting this during the year keeps your cash working for you instead of sitting idle. Control now prevents regret later. Tax credits are even more powerful than deductions because they reduce taxes dollar for dollar. But many taxpayers miss them entirely or assume they don't qualify. Credits related to children, education, energy efficiency, and income levels can dramatically change your outcome. Awareness and eligibility review make a massive difference. Before you file, accuracy beats speed every time. Verifying names, social security numbers, income totals, and bank details prevents delays and IRS notices. Filing early also protects against identity theft and gives you options if you owe money. Confidence at filing comes from careful review, not luck. Tax season 2025 doesn't reward procrastination, it rewards preparation. When you organize early, plan intentionally, and understand your options, taxes stop being intimidating and start becoming manageable. If you want guidance, tools, and clarity to navigate tax season the smart way, visit us online and take control before deadlines take control of you.